Alright, so we are going to try to catch a seagull.
Yeah.
Okay, here's our bait. We're using some saltine crackers. Alright, let's see how this works.
Let's do this.
Brian, you're about to get mobbed. Wait for it, Brian. Wait. Oh. Brian, oh. Hold your breath for a second, Brian. Wait, here, he's gonna go for it. He's going for it. He's going for it. Brian, oh! Holy Brian! Yes, Brian! Woohoo! That's how you catch a seagull, my friends. That's Stone Ditch Studios out.